What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Picky Piggy from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large curve for the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's bend this down in the middle, go across, and then up on the right. Let's add a large bracket on the corner of the mouth. So we're going to step in, bend this across, and then down. I'm going to go back over towards the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to come down in the middle, round this out, and go back up on the right. Let's add the tongue across the bottom. Starting on the left, go up, then that down. I'm going to step back, go up, and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth going around the tongue. Now we're going to place the nose on top of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. We'll draw a half circle. We're going to go up, round out the nose, then bring that back down. Now along the side, we're going to add two curves for the nostrils. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the edge of the nose, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval. We're just going to angle this up and in, come back around, and back in towards the side of the nose. Let's move over towards the right. We're going to go up, come all the way around the outside, and then back in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going up and back around, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to our thick marker and fill the outside of the eyes. Now that we complete the face, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start directly above the mouth. We're just going to curve the cheek, going around the mouth. Just going to trace the mouth coming around towards the bottom. Now we're going to work our way up towards the right. We go up along the side, and I'm just going to curve in the cheek. Now let's draw the top half of the head. On top of the cheek, we're going to bend this up and in, over the eye, come down in the middle, curve this back up in between, round up the brow, and then come down on the right side. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start on top of the left brow, bend this up and out, and then curve that back up towards the top. Let's go to the right, going up and out, and then bend that up. Let's round up the tip of the ear, come down the side, and then back in. Now let's draw the inside of the ear. Starting on the left, start by going out and up, round up the end, and then pull that back in. Let's place the eyebrows on top of the head. We're start on the inside, go up, across the ear, and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on that apple. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Start with the left side. We're going to go up, come down the side, and just pull that back up in the middle. Go back up to the top and draw on the right side, going around, down, and then up. Let's add that stem, going up and across towards the right, round this out, and then come back down. From the top of the apple, draw the string going up and out underneath the head. Now before we draw on the body and the arm, we're going to move over towards the left side and draw a circle for the base of the foot. Let's start from the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's trace the circle along the inside. Now with the foot in place, we draw the inside edge of the arm. Let's start underneath the head. Just going to bend this around the apple, and then in, round out the arm, and then pull that out in behind the foot. Let's go back up to the top, round out the shoulder, come down the side, and then down on top of the foot, add a seam across the arm. Now from the right side of the apple, let's draw on the body. We're going to bend this out, come around, and then across. Now before we draw on the right arm, let's draw that apple along the top. We're going to start up here, bend this up, and then down towards the face. Now we're going to take out a bite, just drawing these 3 little curves coming back in. Let's curve the bottom of the apple, coming down and then up. Now you want to draw it in the right side, starting from the top, go all the way around, down, and then back up. Let's draw the inside of the bite. We're going to add these curves coming around and then back up on the outside. Let's add the stem across the top, going up, round this out, and then come back down. And then we'll add that leaf going out towards the right, and then back in. Let's go back to the body and draw the top edge of the arm. We're going to come down and bend that up underneath the apple. Let's move down across the side of the body, bend the bottom of the arm coming down, go up, and then bend that in. Let's add a seam coming down and out, step in, and draw the seam across the arm. Now underneath the body, let's curve the right leg. We're going to go out and then down, round up the leg, and just pull that up underneath the arm. Now the leg's going to get tucked in behind the arm, so we're going to step in, bend this in and then down. Let's add a seam across the outside, step in, and draw another curve. Now over on the left side, we're going to add that spiral tail, but we want to start from the tip. Let's start up here, come around, and just swirl that back and down on top. Let's trace that swirl along the outside, starting from the tip, get thicker as we come around, and then down. Now I want to continue that inside curl along the bottom, come all the way around, and then again, just pulling that down on top. And it'll trace the outside. Now I'm going to add one more curl, so we'll continue the inside, coming down and in towards the leg, and then we'll trace that along the outside. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Picky Piggy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our Poppy Playtime playlist. We have a ton of characters in there. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.